if you're interested in veneers, come in. We will assess your mouth. We'll talk about your concerns. I want to know what you like, what you don't like about your teeth. That helps me immensely. I consider us a team. I will, ahead of time, make digital scans of your mouth. I will make models of your teeth. I will make all the changes ahead of time on those models, and then I will sit down with you to review those and see what you like, what you don't like. Will it meet your expectations? And we'll proceed from there and hopefully provide you with exactly what you're looking for as far as aesthetics, for sure.